In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to properly mount your NXT Core Board and apply the vinyl pricing stickers. Here's what you'll need for this installation. The NXT Core Board, wall plugs with caps, there's 6 per board, a set of vinyl, a drill with an 8mm bit. Firstly, hold the board against the wall and using a spirit level, ensure that it is straight. Now, using a sharp object or a pencil, mark the wall through the holes on the board. After marking the wall, set the board aside and prepare to drill. Drill the holes at the marked spots using the 8mm bit. Next, insert the wall plugs into the drilled holes. Now it's time to mount the board. Place the board back on the wall, align it with the wall plugs, insert the screws through the holes in the board into the wall plugs. Secure the screws tightly and ensure the board is firmly mounted. Finally, cover each screw with a cap and washer to ensure extended life of your installation. This step is very important and crucial. Please ensure to not skip this step. Also note that we are not held liable for any damage due to improper installation. Now applying the vinyl stickers. Peel the vinyl sticker and carefully apply it on the board to get the desired value on the Digi8 section. Make sure to smooth out any bubbles for a clean finish. And there you go. Your NXT Core Board is now securely mounted and ready for use.